John's role is that of business manager. He's in charge of the finances of the school. He's also the office manager running a team of people. So his role is to provide the bedrock without which the school could not function. And he caters for the needs of young people who pass through the office. He's very open and accessible. And I think that he brings a richness to the school which was lacking before.
We've done prom, a yearbook, we've done leavers, hoodies and a stay awake, and all of them have revolved around at some point nagging Mr Caple in the office, and he's banked all the money for us, done permission letters, so everything's so patient and will go the extra mile for every person, even though he's still so busy himself.
Yeah, he's a really nice guy that will do anything that you ask him to do, and he's a real go-getter, and even if it puts him at a disadvantage, he will try to do his best to make your life easier.
As a modest, indeed humble young man, he was very shocked to be nominated for this award. I think it is richly deserved because of his capacity and belief in helping others, both within school and outside school. And I find that humbling.